was Peter Cat, fresh back from the Gimpy Muster. What is the Gimpy Muster? What's that about?
I forgot. I've still got a few CDs.
Oh, and it's got some CDs, so it's bush poetry and stuff.
The rare collector's item.
Rare
I must have.
How much are they going for?
$20, but you can put a beer on it or a Guinness.
$20 of the most musical collectible coasters you've ever seen in your life.
Country Music Festival.
Country Music Festival is the Gimpy Muster. Right. I keep getting invited to these things and I'm like, I wish I was country, but I don't have to. 44,000 people. Oh, sounds like my anxiety would have like a field day. You know, if I got one of them giant bubbles, like those big, I think they're called zorbs. Yeah, the big bubbles that you can roll down the hill in, like a giant hamster wheel, but for people. I reckon that'd be cool. Is there a Zorb Festival? Is that a thing? I feel like it should be. 75,000 people in Zorbs. I'm down. I'm all the way down. Anyway, next up we have Jimmy Jones.
that too. So here we go. I call this one freshwater.
So without any further ado, I'm going to hand you over to Sonny Jim.
I'd like to say thanks to Pam.
Yes.
I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm very excited to be here. And judging by that warm welcome you gave me, I think you guys are pretty excited too. Yeah. So So I want to thank you for coming, or however you reacted. They do call me Sunny Jim because I think it's because of my optimism despite the unloved carnage of my past relationships. When we broke up, she wanted to stay friends, but for me that would have been like spending 15 years in prison. Finally getting paroled. Walk through the gates, take your first breath of free air. Suddenly the guards grab you and drag you back inside. So we got the wrong Jim Rice. Because I had a lot of anger and resentment towards her. But I worked through those issues. And I wrote this song. Oh, it really helps if you put the singing. Oops, wrong hole. Oh dear.
That's what she said.
Oh, I wish I was that lucky. That's what I say anyway. Oh. Yeah, I had a lot of anger and resentment towards her, but I did work through those issues and I wrote this song. It's called She's Fucked in the Head. Excuse the French. Righto, music lovers, leave the room. I wish I was joking. You know, all the years I've been singing and playing, I've had lots of people say to me, sing us a song, Jim. I've just realised no one's ever said, sing us another one. And this particular ex, well, I won't say a name, that's to protect the innocent, namely me. Well, she hated my singing with a passion, like once I'm singing and the dog's going, oh, and I'm singing and the dog's going, oh. She's like, for crying out loud, can't you play something the dog don't know? I thought that was really unfair to the dog. Sure, you can complain about my singing, but not the dog. He sings better than I do. So I got some earplugs. She said, it's the nicest thing you've ever done for me. I said, they're not for you. They're for me. And don't steal the dog's earplugs either. When you first left me, I was angry, I was mad. You ripped my heart out and I was sad. I was in a lot of pain and I wanted you to feel the same. But in my anger I done some things I regret. Like sleeping with your sister while she's wearing your clothes. Stealing your car, running over your toes. Painting all your car windows grey. Selling your undies on eBay. And I know I shouldn't have broken in and tied you to the bed. Smeared you with fish oil, shaved your head. Called your mum and told her you were dead. Spanked your bum till it turned red. And I know I done a lot of other things that just weren't cool. Putting a cockroach in your kettle, weaving your shampoo bottle, calling your new boyfriend a tool, doing a crap in his pool. Actually, I don't regret doing that one. You know, my doctor said if you wrote them all down and got them off your chest, you wouldn't feel like doing them. Boy, was he wrong. Turned out to be a handy checklist. You know, a friend of mine said that I should put jalapenos on a dildo. I couldn't do that, because I still use it. to smash avocados, you get a really good whipping action. Smashes the shit out of the avocados and you don't hurt the bowl. Another one said I should put prawns in the curtain rods because after a while they start smelling and they don't know where the smell comes from. That wouldn't work on her. I'm pretty sure she's immune to that smell. But I know that you wanted to remain friends. But all I wanted was revenge. She asked me, do you think we could stay in contact? I said, only if I'm rear-ending you in a Big Mac. Only if I'm behind the wheel of the Big Mac. Thank you. You're scaring me now. Thank you. Okay, please stop. Oh, that was exciting, wasn't it? You know, a friend of mine said to me, you know, Jim, don't despair because there's someone out there for everyone, even you. And I was thinking, well, if she's that thinly stretched, then I don't think I want her. But I do believe I will find the one, despite the fact that every relationship I've ever had has failed. And I've been single for 10 years, by choice. Usually the woman's. And I've been thinking on why it's always been a disaster, and I realise it's not me, it's them. Oh man, you're joking. Oh, it's good to laugh. But I know I've been thinking long and hard on why, and I come up with far too many reasons. I reckon if I listed them right now, at least 3 people would die of starvation. The rest of us would duck out and get snacks and water now and then. But I think one that pops into mind, one of the main reasons is I've lifted my standards. And I'm a bit worried that I've priced myself out of the market. But you gotta have standards and you gotta have self-respect. So I'm drawing the line. From now on, she's gotta be breathing. Next, I'm going to get rid of the crack horse because I don't like tongue kissing them. There's 2 falls out, you nearly choke on it. But I'm not ready for that step. Have you heard that expression looking for love in all the wrong places? That's me. St. Vincent's de Paul's, sometimes even Coles. But you can't find love there. Nah, not even in the deli. 'Cause love ain't $3 worth of salami. I said love ain't $5 worth of salami. I know I said $3 the first time, but I was thinking you don't really get much for $3 nowadays, so I changed it to 5. Really, it don't matter what you're buying or how much you're buying, it's just a metaphor for our love. Like I said, love ain't $50 worth of king prawns. Oh, that's stupid. I wish I didn't do that. Because I'm single and I don't have a fridge, and if I tried to eat $50 worth of king prawns, I'd make myself sick. I've got to make my hypotheticals more realistic. Love ain't $1.50 worth of the king prawn. I just realised I hate king prawns. Actually, has someone got an idea for the deli? Like something from the deli that you really love?
Hummus.
Hummus from the deli. Well, I guess it's better than the Coles time. And how much of hummus would you buy at a time?
Tub.
A tub. Well, it's good to be the queen, isn't it? For a tub. Like I said, oh, how much is a tub?
$6.
Whoa, okay. Gina Riley. I said, love ain't $6 worth of hummus. Thank you for your help. You know, once I even tried McDonald's. And I learned something from the experience. If the chick behind the counter doesn't look as old as me, then she's probably underage. Took a chance and told her how I feel. Told her that I thought she was unreal, that she was so beautiful, she made the moon weep, and we could be together for eternity. Well, she laughed at me, then took a step back. She said, you want fries with that? Are you eating it or taken away? Thanks for coming, have a nice day. And please don't stalk me, my McDonald's girl. She laughed at me. Guess I won't be getting my Big Macs for free. Now I know I probably should try Subway. Red Rooster, KFC, Wonton Palace, Subway. Thank you. I probably should finish now, but I couldn't stop saying I didn't finish the looking for love bit. It's got an extension. Would you mind if I just did a little bit of that? Thank you. Thank you, you're the boss. Actually, you know what? I thought another reason why that I'm just got disaster, and you reminded me. Thank you for that. No, it's like, it doesn't matter. I'll keep going. I actually forgot what I was going to say, but that's all right. They told me the Alzheimer's were going to kick in, but I didn't know it was going to be tonight. I'm so unlucky in love, 'cause I'm unlucky in love. How unlucky I am. I'm so unlucky in love. Oh, thanks for asking. And to think I just underestimated you. Well, I reckon if I fell into a box of tits, I'd come up sucking me thumb. I took some love potion and got raped by a dog. Kissed me grandmother goodbye and got herpes. I paid for a prostitute. She said, not tonight, I've got a headache. My poisonous snake died, bit its lip. My pet rock just got diagnosed with terminal gravel rash. God, I'm gonna miss him. You know, I found a wallet that was 3 inches thick. And when I opened it up, all that was in it was a picture of the Hunchback of Notre Dame. I found a wage pack that lazy bastard had taken 3 days off. Did I tell you about the snake? Oh, I couldn't remember. My poisonous snake died with its lip. I did tell you about that one, didn't I? Well, this is its twin brother. You know, I sucked on a lemon, the lemon pulled a face. I bought a banana. When I opened it up, there was nothing in it. I took it back to the shop and they didn't believe me. I met this girl, she said, "Do you want to come to bed with me?" I said, "Why? Do I look tired?" She took me back to her place and said, "Make yourself at home and take your clothes off." So I did. She said, "I'll be back in a minute." So I sat there all my nude with no clothes on. She brought the kids out and said, "See, that's what you look like if you don't eat your greens." The kids are like, "Oh, Mum, can we have broccoli for breakfast tomorrow?" I'm so unlucky in love. That's 'cause I'm unlucky in love. Well, I've got to go now because I'm getting tired, thank you. I had a terrible dream last night. All night I dreamt I was awake. When I woke up, I was really asleep. But this time I've got to remember to shut the bedroom door, because last time when I forgot to shut it and I woke up and then the dog had buried me in the back garden. Thank you very much for tonight. I appreciate you.
You know, same. My wife's unlucky in love. How do you follow that? I think I'll follow it by playing a cover song that everybody else has done. So. You do cover songs, you got to do this one. A little bit of Elton John. Roy the cowboy. You see, after he had his mishap with the lion that ate his new shoes, he went down to the pub and he was sitting at the pub, he was having his drink and swaggered out of the pub, got outside, looked around, turned around, walked back in, through the bar doors and flicked his coat back, his hands on his guns, and he said, "Right, you! I'm going to go to the bar, I'm going to have one more drink, and if my horse isn't back out there where I left it, I'm going to have to do what I did in Dodge." So he wandered over the bar, sat down, and the bartender, his whiskey, poured him a drink, put it on the bar. So he grabbed the whiskey, threw it down, slammed it down, turned around, pulled his guns out, walked back out of the bar, opened up the door, there was his horse. So he's climbing up onto the horse, and the bartender came out and said, "Roy, I've got to know, what did you do in Dodge? What did you have to do in Dodge?" "Well, I had to walk home." Gotta remember how this one goes. I was somewhere out west in El Paso, or maybe it was Mexico. With a brown-eyed girl in Mexico, well, she was something that I didn't know, I didn't know. I was heading for a little vacation to get away from my sorrows. It's an empty place when you miss the face of the one you would have been home. All the wild birds sing a cowboy song on the Rio Grande, 'cause my love is gone. Every single man rides off into the sun on the Rio Grande, drinking till the dawn, 'cause my love is gone. I was somewhere out west in El Paso, where they say I lost my soul. And the vultures fly when you wave goodbye. It's been something that I didn't know, didn't know. I was heading for a little vacation to get away from my sorrows. But the days are hot when you're all I've got, just memory to keep going. All the wild birds sing a cowboy song on the Rio Grande, 'cause my love is gone. Every single man rides off into the sun on the Rio Grande, drinking till the dawn, 'cause my love is gone. I was walking away from El Paso, wouldn't let me go. I got carried away in a river of wine that was actually not the Alamo, the Alamo. I was looking for a little salvation, but wound up just sleeping in a hole. 'Cause I crossed a young man with a gun in his hand, and now I'm tired of my soul. All the wild birds sing a cowboy song have something completely different. A little bit of Queen, eh? Alright. I'll not do that again.
That's a big song.
Just 1 year old love is better part-time alone. One sentimental moment in your arms is like a shooting star right through the heart. It's always really good without you. Prisoner of love inside you, and I'm falling apart all around you. My heart cries out to your heart. I'm lonely, but you can save me. My hand reaches out to your hand. I'm cold, but you light the fire in me. My lips search for your lips, I'm good for your touch. There's so much left unspoken, and all I can do is surrender to the moment. Surrender. No one ever told me that love would hurt so much. So much pain and pleasure, and all I can do is surrender to your love. Just surrender. Just 1 year old love is better than a lifetime alone. One sentimental moment in your arms is like a shooting star right through my heart. It's always a rainy day without you. I'm a prisoner of love inside you, and I'm falling apart all around you. All I can do is surrender. Woo! Thank you very much.